So cloud and software engineering. So this is really broad, obviously, and really depends on what kind of projects that you have and also what we're engaging with usually. Most of the time it's also connected with me being the CTO and in the lead on the technical side for a project, or we just did the solution architecture for maybe a new project and now we need to actually build it and make it happen. Most of the time, what we're doing is really looking at Amazon Web Services, which is cloud, and building really modern backends that power mobile applications and web applications. And this also includes the whole infrastructure, what kind of services, and how we're really operating and maintaining this platform in a very efficient and agile way. So let's take a little bit more in-depth look at what does it really mean in cloud and what we do there, and especially on top of AWS, which is our primary cloud platform. So usually what this really means is starting from scratch. It can be a startup, it can also be an enterprise that want to do a spin-off and they want to do a new greenfield project. And really this is meaning then we need to come in and we are building everything from bottom up and from scratch. This includes putting in place the foundation in the cloud so that we can actually do anything in cloud. That means setting up really the landing zone, the security baseline, and everything really so it's secure and safe how we're working there. On top of that, we're also organizing so that we can work like an agile team, very high automation and very integrated with pipelines in everything we're doing, from infrastructure as code to also just all the software pieces that we're building, we're just doing with very high automation through pipelines and delivering in a continuous manner into the cloud to serve mobile applications and web applications most of the time. And then also, really important piece of this is building the backend software and also backend subsystems. Can be machine learning, can be data systems. So in addition to that, what we're usually also doing is we're working with established companies that need some help in modernizing their existing infrastructure or applications, or they need some security advice, they need some data advice, maybe related to compliance and regulatory aspects that we also know very well, and how to really manage the infrastructure as well as the software layer in order to have something that's really modern, and maybe even make a plan how to get from some place where you are in a legacy situation and you really need to have a plan how to modernize your software layer as well as your infrastructure layer. So these are really things that we're doing and can help you a lot with depending on your company. So if this sounds interesting to you, you can just click this orange button up here and you can book a free call so that we can talk about our services, but also very much about your business and your projects, and then see how we can collaborate and bring some value to your business. Looking forward to talking to you very soon.